Right, let me show you a little montage of this beast.
I'm back in my bag, yo. Conscious. ISO. Diamond. Back in my bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels. Yeah, and she be riding on that thing like a Ferris wheel. Yeah, I love them dark skin, brown skin, caramel. You know I had to bring it to the hood like she Karen Civil when she keep on turning head. Cause when she walk that thing jiggle, jiggle.
And we going back to back on them like we Huey and we Riley. This that back in my back flow, we back again so highly. This that back in my back flow, we back to change the climate. This that back in my back flow, we bring the force like Tommy.
Jensen Interceptor.
I'm back in my, I'm back in my bag, I'm back in my, this is my, back in my bag flow.
Back again, yeah, we keep on stacking it, what's happening? Everything been Gucci, got me feeling like I'm dapper then. Life has been a movie, yeah, so shout out to the cameraman. Pull up to the scene, it's going down like an avalanche.
Steady going up like a travel plan. Homer Simpson face, lucky power plant. Yeah, I'm off that dope, like I'm back again to Vizzy. At the Millies, out on Club Hurst. Give the word if it's a city, Lord forgive me. Still having motion, dog, so.
And here we got a future family wagon right there.
Lowest high speed road runner, keep my motor going.
Hey, hey, people feel away but they don't show it. Gotta watch the people that's around you, that you grow it. They be coming around you with some plans to steal your moment. Soon as I bust a nut, she be like, baby, where you going? Never slowing down, it's enough to go around. Yeah, you probably knew it's then, but really you don't know it's now. Niggas love to show and tell, but all my niggas.
Wow, we got a brand new Phantom here. That's absolutely amazing. Wow. One hell of a car and so long. Wow. Massive wheels. It is incredible. That's a car if you make it one day, definitely. Let's see what else we've got. Let's see what else we've got to show you here. Right, so we have got and we have found a little gem here. Up there in the corner, not one but two McLaren F1 cars. They're the two brothers. Something more refined for a refined gentleman. Probably one of the most epic cars here is the F5 Roadster by Hennessey. Really cool. It's definitely a car from the future. It's called Goose. Wow. Epic. Definitely a car to get. Apologies for the interruption, guys. We've got a special promotion. So, the brand OWKAY Clothing, it's been around since 2013, and every single year they're getting better and better with their clothing. Great quality, amazing price, affordable for every single style that you require. Since the inception of the brand in 2013, OWKAY has delivered quality products at affordable price points, offering style designs that can be worn no matter your lifestyle. The OWKAY athletes, friends and customers are at the heart of the brand and the reason we exist. So, if you want to pick up your new merch, click the link down below. So, click the link down in the description for your special discount. Now, back to the video. I present to you a Lamborghini Huracan Technica, which is another model from Lamborghini. Obviously a Huracan, beautiful orange. Yeah, definite. Here we got a Vertec, if I'm not mistaken, that's what it's called. Cool car. So, yeah, just around here, guys. This is what the future holds. This is the future. So this is the Veritech, and got no idea what the model exactly is, but it looks pretty menacing. Wow, I know what you just heard. Building 25 of them, so if you're rich enough, you can get one. Now we got some McLaren goodies right here with a Speedtail. Wow, and look what we've got here. We have got a Tomaso P72. Cars, 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 and more cars. Definitely classics over here, if anyone's interested. And for the younger generation, we have got, well, faster cars, shall we say. Definitely faster cars. What else have we got here? Well, the palace is just amazing, and having that as a house would be baller. Oh, we got some rally cars here. Let's have a look. A Subaru, Porsche, Subaru, and Subaru. Very cool. A great lineup of cars, and let's see, get ourselves a champagne. Right guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and see you on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.